Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious sweet gochujang chicken meal paired with some cauliflower rice, avocado, and lettuce. The ingredients will be listed in the description. For this recipe, you will need some cauliflower rice, chicken breast, chorizo, bell peppers, spring onion, avocado, and lettuce. For the seasoning, you'll need olive oil, salt, sugar, smoked paprika, all-purpose seasoning, chili powder, gochujang, mayonnaise, ketchup, and lemon juice. Let's get started. First thing to do is preparing the chicken. You can cut it however you'd like, but I done mine into small strips. Once cut, transfer into a pan. Now we are going to season the chicken. Drizzle some olive oil, add a pinch of salt. I used sea salt, but you can use fine salt. Add about a teaspoon of garlic. Smoked paprika or regular paprika can be used as well. Teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Now add some gochujang at your taste. A bit of ketchup. And some mayonnaise. Finally, add a pinch of sugar. Now mix it well and turn it on low heat. In the meantime, wash the lettuce you will use by adding it to a bowl, filling it with water. Add a bit of lemon juice, mix it and set it aside. Make sure to keep checking the chicken as it cooks. Now onto the vegetables. In a different pan, add a bit of olive oil if you are using fresh vegetables. I didn't add to mine as I was using frozen vegetables. Start with some bell peppers of whichever color you like and keep it in medium heat until they cook. Turn the heat to medium on the chicken and keep stirring it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Add a bit of chili powder once the chicken has cooked a little. I added a little extra smoked paprika at this stage. Once the peppers have cooked, add some spring onions to it and stir on medium heat. Once they cooked, add it to the chicken. Make sure the chicken is also cooked. If not, you can set the vegetables aside and add it once the chicken is cooked. On a separate pan, add some olive oil. If you don't have spray, just use a paper towel to cover the whole pan. On this pan, you will add your chorizo and fry it a little bit until it starts to get crispy. Once crispy, you will add it to the chicken. Now for the cauliflower rice, you will follow the package instructions on how to make it. Since mine was frozen, I had to microwave it for longer. You will then pour the cauliflower rice in the same pan you just had your chorizo to give it a bit of flavor and stir it only for 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. While everything is left on low heat, you can prepare your avocado however you'd like. I just cut mine up like shown and plated it up. Here is a better image if you'd like to do it the same way. You can also drain the water from the lettuce and put in the plate. Once the chicken is ready, add a drizzle of lemon juice. Stir and it's ready. You can now plate up your food and enjoy your meal.